morning, everybody. So today's lesson is about expressing wishes. Most of the time, people are not happy. They feel uncomfortable. They feel dissatisfied with their present situation. That's why they tend to hope or wish that their present situation were different. In English, there are two main expressions we use to make a wish, which are I wish or if only. So let's take a look at these examples. I don't have money. Now, let's take a look at this example. I don't have money. This is my present situation. This is a reality. So, to express or to make a wish about this situation, I am going to say, I wish, or if only I had money. Right, so I don't have money. If only, or I wish I had money. Right, so as you can notice here, the tense is the simple present. I don't have. The verb is conjugated in the simple present. So, if you want to make a wish about the present, you can say, I wish, or if only I had money. So, the simple present becomes the simple past. So, as we said, this is simple present. It changes into the simple past. Another example, I don't speak Chinese. This is my reality. This is my present situation. Actually, I don't speak Chinese. So, I am going to wish the opposite. So, I'm going to say, I wish, or if only I spoke Chinese. Right? So here I wish the opposite. I wish my situation, which is not speaking Chinese, were different. That is, I wish if only I spoke Chinese. Right. So here, again, the verb is in the simple present. So we know now that this sentence is in the present. I don't speak. This is simple present. Now, and spoke, it is the simple past. Right? So the simple present becomes the simple past. Right. Now, if we want to extract the rule, right? The rule of the present or present wishes. What is it? So, first we start with the expression I wish, or if only, plus subject, right? Which is I, plus subject, plus verb in the simple past. So spoke, it's the simple past of the verb to speak. So I'm going to write here verb in the simple past. Alright? The same thing for the first example. I don't have money. I wish, or if only I had money. So here, I wish, or if only, plus subject, which is I, plus the verb to have in the simple past. Now, why do we use, or why do we make a wish about so what is the use? So we use this to express hope for things to change. So express hope for things to change. So I don't have money. I wish I had money. So here I am expressing hope for this situation, which is not having money, to change. Right? Good. Now let's move on to the second part of the lesson, which is past wishes. In life, we don't always do the right thing, do we? Sometimes we do something and we wish afterwards that we hadn't done it. Similarly, sometimes we don't do something and we wish afterwards that we had done it. This is what we refer to in English as regret, right? As regret. So let's try to define first regret. What is regret? So regret is when you feel sorry or dissatisfied with something that you did or you didn't do. So we can say regret is the state of being sorry unhappy or dissatisfied with something we did or we didn't do, right? The state of being sorry, unhappy, or dissatisfied with something we did or didn't do. So let's try to look at this example. So, I didn't study harder, so I failed the exam. Right. So this is in the past, right? How do we know it's in the past? Because the verbs are conjugated in the simple past. So the verbs are, so here we have didn't study. This is the simple past. And the second verb is fail. It's the simple past of the verb to fail. It's again the simple past. Now, how do we make a wish about a past event or past situation? So we can say, if only, again, like if we present wishes, if only or I wish I had studied harder. Right? So I didn't study harder, so this is a cause. What was the result? I failed the exam. I didn't succeed. I didn't pass the exam. So, if only or I wish I had studied harder. So, I am regretting here not having studied harder. Right? I wish or if only I had studied harder. So, the verb here is is conjugated in the past perfect. Right? So here, simple past becomes the past perfect. Let's see another example. I didn't go to my friend's party. I didn't go to my friend's party. This is the past. How do we know? Because we have the verb didn't go. It's conjugated in the simple past. Suppose this is, or this happened yesterday. Right? I didn't go to my friend's party yesterday. So this is the past. We have, how do we know? Because we have the verb is conjugated in the simple past, and we have a time expression which is yesterday. So what are we going to say? Again, we use I wish or if only. I wish or if only. Then we say I, right? If only, or I wish I had gone to my friend's party yesterday, right? So this is again a past perfect. Had gone, past perfect. So to make a wish about the past, what is the rule? The rule again is we start with if only or I wish plus plus subject plus verb in the past perfect. Right. So if only or I wish plus subject, which is are, plus verb in the past perfect. Right? So this is the rule of making a past wish. Now let's move on to use. Right. So for a present wish, we said we use it to express hope for things to change. Right. But the past, what do we use it for? We use it to express regret, not hope. Regret for things that can't be, right, that can't be changed. That can't be changed. So here I'm expressing regret. Why? For example, the first example, I didn't study harder, so I failed the exam. I am expressing regret. Why? Because I failed the exam. I should have studied harder. Or if I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. The same thing goes for the second example. I didn't go to my friend's party yesterday. So I wish I had gone to my friend's party yesterday. I regret not having gone to my friend's party. Right? So let's try to recapitulate our lesson. To express or to make a wish about the present, this is the rule. So we use I wish or if only plus subject plus verb conjugated in the simple past. Right? Concerning past wishes, or if you want to make a past wish, this is the rule you should follow. If only or I wish plus subject plus verb in the past perfect. How do we form the past perfect? It's have plus past participle of the verb. had studied. Okay? So let's try to do some practice here. Rewrite these sentences as indicated. This is the kind of question you will have in the national exam. They are not going to ask you to express a present wish or a past wish. No. The right question is rewrite these sentences as indicated, or rewrite these sentences beginning with the words given. Right. Saida left school at an early age. So, the teacher wishes. So, what can we say here? So first, we have to identify the tense of the verb. What is the verb first? So here the verb is left. Right? Saida left school at an early age. So here this is the verb to leave in the simple past. This is the simple past of the verb to leave. So what can we say? So it means that this is a past wish. We are going to make a past wish about this sentence. So the teacher wishes. So the rule is wish, or if only. The teacher wishes what? Saida. This is the subject, plus the verb in the past perfect, which is hadn't left school at an early age. Actually, Saida left school at an early age. She dropped out of school at an early age. So now this is the teacher who is making a wish. So the teacher wishes Saida hadn't left school at an early age. Can we change the situation? No, we can't, because this is the past. What is done is done. We can't go back and change it. It's too late. Let's move on to the second sentence. John didn't follow his father's advice. Right? John didn't follow his father's advice. So John wishes. Again, first we have to identify the tense of the verbs. What is the verb? Here we have didn't follow. Right? This is the verb. It's conjugated in the past. How do we know? Because we have didn't. It's the negative form of the verb to follow. John didn't follow his father's advice. So what can we say? John wishes plus subject. What is the subject? It's he. Right? John wishes, because he's talking about himself. John wishes he had followed, right? He had followed his father's advice, right? John wishes he had followed his father's advice. Right. The third sentence, I am not a millionaire. What is the verb here? The verb is I'm not, which is verb to be. This is verb to be conjugated in the simple present. So, if only or I wish plus subject, as we said, which is I. So, as we said, this is simple present of the verb to be. It means we are going to make a wish about a present situation, which is I am not a millionaire. If only I were a millionaire. So actually I am not a millionaire. So I wish the opposite. I wish my situation were different. I wish, or if only I were a millionaire. Why do we use here were Actually, we should use was. But why did we use were? Because this is unreal past, right? Unreal past. I forgot my sister's birthday. So the verb is forgot. It's conjugated in the simple past. Right? I forgot my sister's birthday. So the verb to forget in the simple past. It means that we should make a wish about the past. So what can we say? I wish I, past perfect of forget is hadn't forgotten my sister's birthday. Right? I wish I had not forgotten my sister's birthday. So here it's affirmative, we change it into negative. Why? Because we wish the opposite. Number 5. I can't watch this film because I am busy. Right. What is the verb? We have here can't watch, and we have am. Right. So this is the present, and this is the present. This is verb to be. Right? Verb to be conjugated in the simple present again. So what do we do here? So this is, or we make a wish about the present. So what can we say? If only, or I wish I were not or weren't busy. Actually, I am busy. I don't have time. So I can't watch this film. So I am going to wish the opposite. I wish my situation, which is being busy, were different. If only I were not busy. Last sentence, David didn't save enough money to buy a new computer. So what is the verb? The verb is didn't save, right? It's conjugated in the simple past. It's conjugated in the simple past. It's the negative form of the verb to say it in the simple past. So David didn't save enough money, right? He spent all his money and he didn't save any, right? Why? For the purpose of buying a new computer. So David wishes, subject is he, right? Because we are talking about David. So the pronoun that refers to David is he. David wishes he had saved enough money. Right? So he wishes he had saved enough money to buy a new computer. Right? So he is regretting not having saved enough money. Right? That's it. Thank you for your watching.